Hey! Ever wondered how a plant-based diet can revolutionize your gut health? Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to improving your digestive wellness with plant-based nutrition. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of plant-based diets and how they can transform your gut health for the better. Whether you struggle with digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, or irregularity, adopting a plant-based diet could be the key to restoring balance and vitality to your digestive system. Many of us battle with digestive discomfort due to poor dietary choices, stress, or underlying health conditions. Symptoms such as bloating, gas, and discomfort can significantly impact our quality of life. It's time to explore a natural solution that not only alleviates these symptoms but also promotes long-term gut health. Enter the plant-based diet, a nutritional powerhouse that supports gut health through various mechanisms. Plant foods are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for promoting digestion, reducing inflammation, and nurturing a healthy gut microbiome. From leafy greens and berries to whole grains and legumes, these foods provide the nutrients your gut needs to thrive. Now, let's delve into the strategies for enhancing your gut health with a plant-based diet. Discover the importance of fiber-rich foods like chia seeds and broccoli, which promote regular bowel movements and support digestive function. Learn about the benefits of probiotics found in fermented foods such as yogurt and kimchi, which help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Explore how plant-based omega-3 fatty acids from flax seeds and walnuts can reduce inflammation and support gut lining integrity. In summary, adopting a plant-based diet can significantly improve your gut health by providing essential nutrients and promoting a diverse microbiome. By focusing on whole, plant-based foods, you can support digestion, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall well-being. It's about nourishing your body with foods that promote digestive health and longevity. Ready to improve your gut health with a plant-based diet? Click the link in the description to access our comprehensive guide on starting a plant-based journey for digestive wellness. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on nutrition, wellness, and achieving vibrant health with plant-based foods. Together, let's nurture our guts and enjoy optimal health. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.